someone needs everyone. Cause the world we're living in is a family. It no matter where you there, who you be, or what you get. Mellow, I say mellow. You're gonna break yourself, and no man is God, and no man be God, and no man be God, and no man be God. Be careful whatever you do, be careful whatever you say, be careful whatever you do. Oh no, be careful whatever you do, be careful whatever you say, cause you don't know tomorrow.
After all that my husband did for you people, you people have the guts to send my daughter, my Puerto Rican, home.
Is it only you that does not know that marriage is done and dusted?
Which marriage? You're not serious. See, I'm not here to talk to you because we're not on the same level. I came here to look for James. Nanny, professor without certificate. I will declare Operation Egwekeba. Yes. You declare never.
Nanya. I will declare Operation Crocodile Smile. If you go crocodile, shall we?
Operation Smile or Crocodile Smile. Imagine you don't even know where you are. Who are you?
Have you not heard that I've been to Gabon, I've been to Gambia, I've been to Equatorial Guinea? With my international connections.
Hey, you should be ashamed of yourself. You've been to African countries and you're calling yourself an international man. I am just coming from India.
Nekwananya.
Nekwimi.
Ginwa.
Nekwimi.
Etu Hede.
Etu Amuade.
Radio with our battery. One day, Mwali Bosoya in on.
You were for you didn't nurse. You man can't boss SK. Mwali and Fanya Gianimi.
Oh,
Nenonya Libem na we be on Yala.
Big no Sobo.
Munya, you want to Munya. Bobby never quali. Wonders will never end. Can you imagine that pop? That wretched, drunken pop having the guts to talk to me eyeball to eyeball without respect. But then again, I don't blame him. Edwin, it is you that I blame. Because if you had not given up my daughter in marriage free of charge, where would James have found money to come and marry her? He wouldn't even be able to borrow to marry my Puerto Rico.
Mama is okay.
Hey, please, shut up! It's not okay. Let me tell you something, Benno. What is okay? Oh, I cannot stand men that are too slow. Men that are so myopic in their thinking. And let me tell you, you are toying that way. Like father. Like son. Anyway, one thing is for sure. As a praying woman, I know that as long as my knees are on the ground, my God will punish those people. Yes, they will pay dearly for their sins. Nonsense. By the way, Edwin, please, make sure that James returns that car.
Which car?
Which car? The car that you bought for Ifunanya as a marriage gift, of course.
We don't need that car any longer.
Are you kidding me? Hey! You see that car? I must collect it from James and bring it back to this house. If you think that I'm joking, try me. I think you've forgotten that this is Evelyn, Mama. Ada tantimata. If you think I'm joking, bet me. Ebin, Kochano, it's already Kochano. Why are you tapping your father? Why are you tapping your father? What if I'm a sia yono? Nonsense. Witches and wizards. Must be him. Open the gate for him. Open it. Let the idiot drive in. Open it. See him enjoying the music. With our car. Enjoying himself. Give it to me. I hope she doesn't have any more properties in your house.
Everything is in the car.
Good.
And I'll be paying 50,000 naira every month into our account for the upkeep of my child.
50,000 naira is too small. But let me tell you something. Don't you ever, because you're a fool, don't you ever step in those accursed feet with those ugly black shoes into my compound.
I'm never going to come again.
Oh, please.
Shameless he-goat. What are you still waiting for? Oh, yeah. Uje, I said it now. Outlaw, that's what you are. Okay, B. Hey, at least today you're not wearing that your chip. Oh, yeah, get out. I said, Mona! I got the egg.
She said you don't want a piece of me.
Oh! Look at him. Look at him. He's not ashamed of himself. Chisom, Biko, come back. Leave that man. Leave him. Eh? Come back. He has lost the swag. Don't worry. Calm down, Chisom. He has lost the swag. Opusimoto. Very soon, those black shoes, all get be destroyed. Hey, give me 5. Yeah. Welcome to the winning team. Yeah.
Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Be careful whatever you do. Oh no. Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Cause you don't know tomorrow.
Mom.
What is the matter?
Nothing, Mommy. I'm fine.
I know what you're going through. I mean, if you're fine, why are you sitting here all by yourself?
Mommy, I just want to be here. I said I'm fine. There's nothing wrong with me. Mommy.
I know what you're going through. I mean, I can imagine what you must have gone through in the hands of that idiot. But I'm glad you're back.
Mommy, I'm not regretting parting with James. In fact, it's the best thing that has happened to me in this recent time.
As long as there's a God, James will pay for all the pains he must have cost you.
Amen.
It's good to have you home.
Thank you, Mommy.
Ifu. On your chapel, Tokiri. My darling daughter.
Mom.
Thank you. Where's Ifunanya? Where's my Onyo chapel, Tokiri? Why isn't she here with you people?
She went out. She went to buy something.
I see.
Mommy, I'm perceiving something.
Hey! I bought this roasted chicken for Onyocha Potokiri.
No, Mommy, give me small.
Not this one. This is for my Onyocha. Maybe next time. Hey!
Every time, if this, if that. Your tenure has passed. Have you forgotten when Mom used to come back? Hey, she's some this, she's some that. She'll buy you some chicken. She'll buy you some what? She'll buy you some this. Chisom, come and take. Chisom, come and take. Your tenure has actually passed, Adane. So calm down. You're very stupid. Idiot.
Adane, are you jealous?
Jealous? Me jealous? Jealous of what? Are you not old enough to get married? At least, I've been trusted and tested in marriage. You are still in your father's house making noise. You actually tested and failed. I'm looking at what? No, I don't have to know. I want to. Stop it. I want to. You can't do anything. Stop it. Yes.
What's the matter with you? And you, have you not been married before?
And were you not?
Are you not back in your father's house?
And were you not the reason for my divorce?
Hey. Okay. No problem. It's been almost 4 months now since you got married. And you've not even bothered to share your experience with me.
Mama, my marriage is not bad at all. My husband is taking very good care of me.
Hey. To God be the glory. Oh. That is really nice. And who is in charge?
How do you mean, Mom?
Well, I mean, who gives orders? Okay, let me rephrase it. Like, who makes decisions and ensures that everything is properly done?
My husband, of course.
Why?
Because he's the head of the family.
Hey, head of the family. Who made him head of the family? Does he have 2 heads? Hey, see, you will be here. This man will grow wings, and by the time you realize what is happening, you will not be able to cut those wings. Hey, Mbano, you need to wisen up. You need to be in charge. Look at your father. Can't you see the way I'm handling him? When I tell him things to do, he just does it without thinking twice. You are going to be in charge.
Mama, you're just lucky Papa is naturally flexible and an easygoing man. My husband is a disciplinarian who will not compromise his position as the head of the family.
That is why you need to start early. You need to be in charge. Oh, wait. You're waiting for him to turn you into a slave wife before you do something.
No, not like that.
And by the time you eventually drop 1 or 2, and you see him going up and down with a young girl, what would you do? You wouldn't even have the mouth to complain. Eh? Think about what I'm telling you. A woman must and should always be in charge in her matrimonial. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying?
Are you sure?
Am I not your mama? You've seen it happening here now. So it's not like I'm lying or anything. Eh? It is good for every woman to be on top of her game. You know what is happening in this house. Your father cannot do anything without first asking for my opinion.
That is my father, not Peter's side.
That is because I worked on it. You can tell Peter's side to be exactly what you want him to be. Anyway, I don't know. If care is not taken, your brothers-in-law, your sisters-in-law, all of them will make your marriage unbearable for you. Look, Wanye, just think about it. Anyway, come and start going now.
I wish I hadn't listened to you that day.
No. The reason you're out of your husband's house is because you did not implement what I told you. You thought you were sharp. You started applying your own thing. Now you're here today.
It's not fair. It's okay, I'm back now. As for you, the battle line, what can you do? You can't do anything.
No. If she talks to you in any manner, deal with her.
Mommy?
Thank you.
Yes. Hey, Mommy's meal.
If she doesn't like it, she should pick up her things one by one and return to her husband's house.
Hey, this life may change, oh, Mommy.
Yes,
It's
me. Chisom now. I know it's you. Calm down, Nne. Mommy? Nemo.
So, you can't do anything.
I least expected this from you.
Mommy, where did I get it wrong?
My Puerto Rican baby, you have not done anything wrong. Eh? Don't mind Chisom. She's just jealous of you. Jealous of your achievements.
Mommy, my achievements?
Now, look at her. As smart as she is, she came out of Peter Side's house with nothing. Apart from the empty box that had just 2 pairs of jeans. But look at you. My Puerto Rican baby. Eh? Smart girl. You came back with a bouncing baby girl. And they can't show for your marriage. Can't find a reason.
But, Mommy, is happiness also jealous of me?
Hey! Don't make me laugh in Russia. You see, her own is the worst. What does she have? Nothing. She's getting old. And no man has even come to ask for her hand in marriage. In spite of all the backyard packaging. No one called. But you know what? Do not worry. I will handle them for you. Eh? Chill is here for different again, man.
Okay.
I will take care of something.
Every good time is absent. So if you shut down, you unwell. So what's the point?
Even though you have evicted me from your house, I still have so much love for this family. And before I finally take my leave, I have to drop this. You all know very well that I have worked as your father's secretary for years. So I know what his children or his daughters ought to look like. I want you people to think deep over your lives. Tell yourselves the truth about what harm your mother has done to your lives. I know you don't want to hear this from me, but trust me, I am not afraid of saying the truth. I owe this bitter truth to the children whose father has paid me for years.
It's not gainsaying. Our mother was responsible for what happened to our marriages.
She single-handedly destroyed my beautiful home. You see, Evelyn, I will never forgive Evelyn. She's saying the truth. Helen is saying the truth.
I swear. I swear. If I had not listened to her, nothing would have happened to my marriage today. Yeah. Nothing.
I know that I'm not married, but you guys are right. So, what do we do? How do we solve this? What's the next step? How are we going to solve this problem?
I want to suggest something.
Okay, we're listening.
Helen, what is it?
Sir, I have come to tender my resignation later.
Why?
I want to quit on a personal reason.
Helen, you better think over it again.
No, I have made up my mind and there's no going back.
It's alright. you insist. I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Look at you!
Oh, God, James. I wasn't expecting to see you in my village.
Whoa, good to know you're from this village.
Yes, I'm from Isiozi clan in this village.
Oh, Isiozi?
Yes, Isiozi.
Nice.
Oh,
That reminds me. I no longer see you in the market. Do you still work as Kajetan's secretary?
No, sir. I got admission into the university, so I resigned.
You don't say.
You know, education is power.
Wow, knowledge is key.
Oh, God, James.
Nice, what a bold step. Please, can I have your number so we can communicate?
All right, 070
Okay.
62 345
All right.
09.
Nice.
Oh,
nice.
God, James, you look
You
good.
too, girl. I'll call you.
No, thank
All right,
you.
bye-bye.
As far as I am concerned, James, you have to apologize to your senior brother.
Okay. Accepted, Papa. I will apologize. I don't care how many times you people want me to apologize to our son do. I will apologize.
Your elder brother, apologize.
But Papa, as a matter of fact, that is not why I am here. That is not why I came to see you. Yes, Papa.
What is the
problem? Papa, I came to let you know beforehand that I have seen another woman that I want to marry.
It's not been long since you separated from your wife. But why don't you just tarry a while before going to another marriage?
Papa, you're correct. All shades of it, you are correct. Okay, Papa? But I have done my homework and there is no cause for alarm. Yes, Papa.
Fatima. Who is she? Where is she from?
You're always in a hurry. You're always in a hurry. Take it easy, Papa. When the time comes, I will let you know.
Yeah, James. Won't you drive me home?
Papa, trekking is good for you. It's good
James!
for you. I'll call you, Papa.
Ifo, you have a daughter for him. If you go back and plead with him, he will forgive you. But you must assure him that mommy will never visit your house again. So because of your child, he may take you back. Oh?
You are right, Chiso. But if you do the same thing, Peter's side will forgive you and accept you back.
My case with Peter's side is different. Peter's side is getting married soon, so him accepting me back is ruled out.
So you living your life like say now you get the world out. So you make everybody they know say now you they in charge.
Chichi, baby.
No man can be an island. No one can go with you. Everyone needs someone. Someone needs everyone. Cause the world we're living in is a family. And no matter where you there, who you be.
Mama, what is it?
Were you sleeping?
Why are you calling me? Can I help you?
And yes, are we quarreling?
See, if you don't have anything good to say, I'll leave you here and go inside.
You see this wedding I'm coming for? Hey! Okay, now, it reminded me of your own wedding. Everything was planned, everything on point. Really nice, tasty.
I
cannot believe you. So this is why you called me here? To remind me of my broken home?
Pano, to take some of the cake.
Mommy, you're not good. Mommy, you're very, very bad. No problem.
What did I do? Go make one of my nice about it.
My son, I want to state categorically that Chief Edwin and Imopodo's daughters are bedwarmers. My son, if you truly want to get married, go and look for a decent girl that will make a good home. But if you are looking for someone to warm your bed, you better go for Happiness and not Ifunanya, who has a daughter for the husband.
Mama, there is something you don't understand about Ifunanya. Ifunanya has a car, and any man that marries her will eventually inherit that car.
See, my son, don't be enticed with a car or anything, because what you don't know is that Evelyn and the daughter will frustrate you. They will make life so miserable for you.
Mbam.
Okay.
They can't.
They can't?
Yeah. Onakinana. Ina dodge sim.
Hey,
Chineke para tuleo one name joy dodge him na.
Hey, I cannot. Why tell me? Is there a reason why I'm going to dodge?
Why you the money now?
Yeah.
You know the money.
Which money?
The money now.
Also do this.
Money that you've been promising me for how many years?
I will give you the money that they also do. When the time comes, I will give you. Let me hurry back.
James, if you here come here,
huh?
You can make go now.
Start the back. What? Okay. Olube.
Also, start here.
Olube.
Nah, if I not be well.
They also.
Unless you talk no na get up.
Amanu oh, Biko. My figure make it.
Hi. Chineke. Okay. My own brother.
It depends, Eba.
If I'm na class, you know.
So bad rock, and let's check. Probably, you know how to cash this.
As you move. All the game on your son do. You don't know me in this village. You don't know me in Rumweze. Come on, go here. Think I go pan now.
Pay without ID card.
ID Guinea. If you want Gabon, ID can Gabon can you?
So bad rock. No problems. This is too small.
This money is too small for the classy restaurant I want to open.
200. I've been holding myself here. I've had it up to here or something with you. I've had it up to here. How can you tell me that 200,000 naira is too small?
Yes, it is too small because I have in my brain the kind of classy restaurant I want to open where senators will come for lunch.
Well, Bill, sorry to disappoint you. I don't have money for the kind of white elephant project that you're talking about. You can use 200,000 naira to start something in the village.
Something like what?
A provision store or chemist.
Complete onyara. You a fool.
Thank you.
How can you say that?
Thank you. 200,000 naira, that is all I have to give to you. Thank you.
It's too small for me.
That is all I have for now.
Go. You think I don't have the my antenna works?
Move.
You.
Make her the glass.
Move. You see, you're asking it.
You think I don't know? want to marry?
Instead of you to give me money to start something that will help our family. Eh? You want to use it to go and marry? This boy, Nwanyelaka, somebody I helped when I was in Gabon. From Gabon, I went to Equatorial Guinea. I was still helping you. From Equatorial Guinea, I went to Gambia. I was still helping you. Now, you think you have money? Don't worry now. About your go mile. No shaking, no. Ataromian. Omaro restaurant. I don't blame him. Oh, the kind of restaurant I went na Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, and Gambia. Hey, Jehovah, Paratuleo. My brother must come home.
So, what is it?
Mommy!
Nem. You can talk to me, I'm your mother. A problem shared is half solved.
Mommy?
Yes.
Why am I even calling you Mommy? Evelyn, you have ruined my life. And I'll never, ever forgive you.
Look at this fool. That I'm even trying to be sorry for.
What kind of a mother is this?
Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Be careful whatever you do. Oh no. Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Cause you don't know tomorrow. And no man be God. 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 So you living your life like say now you get the world up. So you make everybody they know say now you in charge of. No man can be an island. No one can.
Sam, open this door. Sam, I know that you are inside there. Open this door now. Open this door, else I will break it. Sam!
I'm coming.
You are coming doing what inside there? Sam, you are coming doing what? What are you doing inside? Sam! Don't try, though. Don't try. I will break this door. Sam, I say, you don't want to open the door, eh? I know that if Nanya is inside this house, I know. What am I waiting for? Let me go to the house.
Be careful whatever you do. Oh no. Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Cause you don't know tomorrow.
Where is she? Where is the mother of God for nothing in that want to destroy my home? Where is she? Come out, come out! Come out, mothers of dead mothers! Come out! Where is she?
Shh. Why are you shouting and disturbing the peace in this compound?
Tell your daughter to leave my son alone. Evelyn, tell that your daughter to leave my son alone, please.
Is your son not an adult? I'm asking you. Don't you want your son to get married?
My son will get married, but not to a divorcee.
So divorce has become a taboo, right?
Ijo Munjonye. Evelyn, I said Ijo Munjonye. Even at that, even if it's not a taboo, your children are mere bedwarmers. I don't want my son to get married to a bedwarmer, Evelyn. Tell her to leave my son alone. None of your daughters has made a good home, even in the past. And I believe that none will make a good home, even in the present.
Do you have a good home? You've never had one. You don't even know what a good home is. Stupid woman. Will you get out of my compound?
I will leave! I never came to stay.
Please.
I will! I never came to stay, please! But call that your stupid daughter on phone, Tell her to leave my home! Because even if my son ends up impregnating her, I will never be alive for another marriage.
So you're shaking your head like say you know understand. As I'm talking to you, I'm talking to myself. Every good time is ups and downs. So if you
Good afternoon, ma.
Hey! What is good about your afternoon? I'm asking you, what is good about your afternoon? Ifunanya, you are a divorcee. Biko, leave my son alone.
Mama! Papa! Enough of this embarrassment.
You have not seen anything yet. Because I will continue to embarrass you until you leave this girl alone. And you, hey! Look, let me tell you, young girl. Leave my son alone. Because even if my son ends up impregnating you, he will not still marry you. That will be over my dead body. Are you hearing me?
Baby, please don't listen to him. Please.
Baby, I'm organizing. Baby, baby, baby. Divorcee family.
Mama.
Divorcee family. Bed woman, leave my son alone.
Mama!
Stop, mommy!
I don't just like it. I don't like what justice. I don't like it.
You will like it whether you like it or not. Rubbish. Over my dead body, you marry her. Hey, go after her. Baby. Baby, oh, baby, go. Bed woman. Rubbish. Not when I'm still alive. My own son will not marry you. Idiot. When you go and come back, you will still come and meet me in this house. Okay. Nonsense.
Jesus. I swear to God. I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
Your earlier decision to go back to your husband and plead for his forgiveness is better than marrying a village pauper whose mother hates you with a passion.
This is my thought of the shame. The embarrassment I will get from us someday. And I decided otherwise.
The embarrassment you get from Guma will be worse than personal.
Oh my God.
There's a popular saying that says, the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. So my take is, go back to the man that you already have a child for. What?
On your top of okay? I think you should listen to what she said. And since you're not ready to wait for a good husband to come your way, maybe you should go back to that your useless husband called James. He will only be too happy to welcome you back. After all, you already have a child for him.
No man can be an island. No one can go with alone. Everyone needs someone. Someone needs everyone. Cause the world we're living in is a family. It no matter where you there.
Everyone, Mama. If you want. Who wasn't come around? Okay.
Ifu, Mama is terrible. So I'm tired of that. I'm sick and tired of her. I don't know what to do with her.
Yeah. I want to make it emphatically clear. As long as you women are right under my roof, I, everyone, Mama, will not tolerate any kind of insubordination.
So if it's your turn, do one well. So what's the point to disagree?
Your mother.
Your mother. Oh, your mother too.
What can I do for you, sir?
Yes, I want to see Evelyn.
He's inside. You have to wait outside. Let me go and get her.
Banjoko.
Evelyn.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. What can I do for you?
There is no problem. There is no problem, but there is problem one way or the other, somehow.
Just find which way and tell me what the problem is.
I have actually come for something very important.
Okay. I'm listening.
Can't we go in and talk? So we can sit down and talk inside your house.
Biko Panchoko, I don't allow men to come and see me inside my house.
Evelyn, if someone is standing and talking, his or her words will probably be standing. So let us go in and sit down and talk.
As you're standing and your words will be straight as you talk and stand. Now tell me why you're here. Yeah.
I actually don't know how to put it, but I will put it. See, this whole thing started a long time since I lost my wife. Yes. The experiences have been something else. In fact, life has been so difficult for me since then.
Okay, we're talking about 30 years ago. Well, it's a pity. Pity.
Pity? Oh, thank you for pitying me. But the thing is that it will surely come to an end very, very soon.
Amen. Amen. So...
I learned that Ifunanya, your daughter, recently parted with her husband.
What has that got to do with all this?
Oh, you will matter as I go Brunei. I will personally, I want to ask for her hand in marriage.
If, assuming I kick away this your walking stick, Egada. Listen, both your Dala and your niece, both of you should get out of my compound.
Evelyn.
Stupid man. My friend,
come here.
Shut the gate. Shut the gate.
Evelyn, what is the problem? Hey, mpiti ekwe na gunanya. I will never give up. Akona makamuzo. I have come to knock on your door. I will surely return my second visit.
And I'm big God, and I'm big God.
So did you discuss the matter?
I did not discuss it with her, but I made my intentions known to her mother yesterday.
What did she say?
She did not say anything, and that is why I am here again, so that you and I can put heads together and finalize arrangements concerning the traditional marriage rights. In fact, everything, and of course fix a date when I shall come to pay the dowry. My grandson is willing and ready to sponsor the whole thing.
Ifunanya.
Yes, Daddy.
Tell her why you
My wife died years ago, and things have been difficult for me. I've been having series of experiences. A lot of things have been happening. It's actually a long story, and that is not why I am here. I am here to ask for your hand in marriage.
If Naya, did you hear him?
God forbid. No daughter of mine will marry anything just for the sake of getting married. And you, get out of this house, now.
You always remind her that she is second hand, though.
Get out! I say get out. Get out. Get out. Sit up! It's a nonsense. That's what you want, right? You actually allowed him to sit down here and utter those nonsense.
So you living your life, say now you get the world out. So you make everybody they know, say now you in charge of. No man can be an island, no one can go with alone. Everyone needs someone, someone needs everyone. Cause the world we're living in is a family. No matter where
for Nanya, my daughter. On your chapel to kill him. You will not be the only to foresee in Amaldu. If anyone insults you, think of something. Go to the market and fetch cartons of insults and ready it upon the person. Instead of you sitting down here, brooding. What was one name, Wally? Ah! Ah,
Today, a 75-year-old man asked for your hand in marriage. Tomorrow, 90-year-old man will come to ask for your hand in marriage. The earlier you take a decision on what to do, the better.
I will take the bull by the horn. Perhaps fate will smile at me once again.
Oh, baby, don't let me go. Please don't let me go. You go be my baby, amen. I go be yours, amen. We go there together, amen. You never fit put us asunder, amen. If we walk together, amen. You go bomb my baby, amen. You go grow.
If Naya, how did you know I'm here?
I was at home and was told you are working at the town hall.
Oh yes, oh yes. I actually came to inspect the town hall ahead of tomorrow's meeting. How's my granddaughter? I hope there's no problem.
She's fine.
Destiny, we entwined up together. It's up to us to find a common ground. It's up to us.
Daddy, please. Daddy, I have come to. I have come to plead. You have me talk to James. Daddy, please. I promise never to
to disobey him again. Because and I swear never to bring any weapon into the house. Please, Daddy. Please. God, please don't keep quiet. Please. I swear. I swear.
Chisom! Are you in there?
Yes, it's me.
Who are you with?
My boyfriend now.
Is he killing you?
No, I don't know.
Is he using hammer on you? What's going on? It's like caterpillar. Are you okay?
Yes, mommy, I'm okay.
So you brought in a man into my house, eh? Look, you people are disturbing the neighbors, oh. Your sister Chisom is in there with a man.
I can hear the soundtrack.
Oh, okay. But why is it now that I want to make use of the room? You can hear the soundtrack. I will sit here and wait for them to come out.
Mommy, I have a guest waiting for me outside. Can you give me your room key? I'll be fast about it.
I should give you my room key. You'll be fast about it.
Mommy, please now, eh? Please. But do not be firewood now, eh? No.
Bobby, lipstick, mommy. And the man is waiting outside. Mommy, Biko.
Mommy, where are you going now? Chisom! People should be fast now, eh? Me, I also want to do small.
Mommy!
No.
So it is true. You're here wriggling your waist, getting ready to smack down on my daughter, right?
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Chief.
Keep your greetings to yourself. You're telling me your name, meanwhile you have a bad intention in your head. And let me tell you something. My children do not need Chi-boy. What they need is Chi-man. You're here getting ready to smack down on my daughter, okay? Before I close my eyes and open, get out of my compound right now. Before I cut off that armor of mass destruction that you have around your waist. You're still here. You're still here.
Mommy, I don't like it, oh. Eh? I don't like the way you're embarrassing me in this house. But do not be firewood now.
Your body must be firewood until you get married, though. Look at the chichi. He's not even your size. He's like your son.
Excuse me.
And you? What are you doing here? You have the guts to defile my own daughter in inside my house, okay?
Hey, baby.
You slap me! Slap you again!
Hey!
What?
Hey!
What is all that?
Baby, honey, bubulicious. Calm down. It's my call.
What is your call?
Mommy! Come!
Let's go and separate them now. Beat that woman. Let them beat her. No. I said, come here. No. Come. Let's go. Leave them. Let them beat her.
Okay, but let me go now. My sister is there. I love you too. How far?
I do.
How far? Everybody's fine now. Except for
Evelyn.
Yeah? Yes. See what happened. She slapped Jonas. My own Jonas. I gave her the beating of her life. I pounced on her, eh?
One name, I'm fight. I'm going to fight.
She will never forget it in her life. How far now? How you work?
My sister, I don't tire.
What is it?
I met him. I met him.
Okay.
And I apologized to him. And I promised him that I will never disobey his son again or bring machete into the house. And he said I did well, but he's not in position to decide for James.
Okay, so in other words, you see James.
Maybe.
No, not maybe. You will see James.
Okay. All right. Let me just see that woman.
Okay.
All right, now, later, eh?
Baby Bubulicious. What is it?
Nothing much. Just the battery.
Oh, okay. Take care of it, eh? You're a man.
I say mellow. You gonna break your
Each time I visit this house, one problem or the other in this car.
It's okay now.
Hey, are you scared? Don't worry.
I have your money.
I will win it people today.
I have your money.
Okay,
so be
wait,
careful.
let me play. Play.
Ah.
Card.
Papa, take it.
Game.
Ifunanya, please, I need you to go to Mama Chiema's shop and get me 3 cans of malt for Prophet and his people.
Mommy, I'm sorry, I can't go now. I'm busy.
Okay, Happiness, because run down to Mama Chiema's shop.
Oh, Mommy, please, I can't go anywhere. My kidney is spinning me. Please.
I don't need you,
Mommy.
Chigel, because can you help your mother out?
You know I will always help you.
Thank you.
Which ones?
Malt, please, hurry up, because...
Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Be careful whatever you do. Oh no. Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Cause you don't know tomorrow. And no man be
Hey, hello, we are. Hey! Name that song.
So you're living your life like she.
She's so good. What's keeping you? Where are the drinks? So it's now 3 against 1. No problem.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
But let me warn you. There will be recovery. Biko, I'm going to give you my levy money to pay for me.
Okay.
I don't want to attend their nonsense meeting again.
Yeah.
They talk too much, silly. Because I don't have time. How much am I owing?
You should know. 2 months.
Only. Okay, I will even pay for your own because I'm sure you're owing for like 6 months. Last time. Anyway.
Easy boy.
Mine is 1,000.
Yes.
Yours will be for 6 months. That will be 3,000. You know what? Just pay whatever is left. You can keep it.
Ezioku.
Take. You need the money.
Hey, okay. Thank you so much.
For nothing.
God bless you.
Bless you too. Chai. I don't know how you stand those women. They no. They talk too much. They talk too much. Every time you see them, their mouth is follow up one. So
my friend, come to think of it.
Think of it.
How long would you be at war with your children? For how long? Is it not high time you apologize to them? Or are you not aware you are responsible for whatever they are passing through today? Yes.
Biko Ugochi. Biko. Let's not get sentimental. What are you saying? If James had not found a cutlass inside his bedroom with my daughter, Evelyn, he wouldn't have divorced her. I mean, why couldn't the stupid girl defend herself by saying she kept the knife for protection? Is she a dummy?
Before the incidents occurred, my friend, you had already brainwashed Ifudanya, just like you did Toshiso.
Okay.
Look at her. She now became aggressive and no longer submissive to the husband. Even if James had not seen the cutlass under the bed, he would have still divorced her.
Okay.
What about Peter's side? Did Peter's side see any cutlass under the bed? Yet, he divorced Chisom.
Oh, so in other words, what are you saying? I should go to a water market and buy them husbands? Pico, leave that matter, Pico. Evelyn. What? See, you've gotten the money you wanted now. You can go now, Pico.
They are still my children.
Pia, Edwin.
Evelyn, what is the matter? I hope there is no problem.
There is a problem. I need you to come home and warn those daughters of yours. You need to talk to them. Else I will unleash my venom on them.
Evelyn, is that why you bashed into my office? Couldn't you have waited for me to return?
No. This problem cannot wait. Those children have grown wings. Can you imagine they now insult me, their mother? They make caricature of me. Now listen to me and listen good. I need you to come home as the man of the family to bring back peace in that home.
Evelyn, you go home and face the music that you started. You taught your daughters how to beat the drum. Now you go and dance to the beat.
Is that what you're saying? That's what you're saying. No problem. Let me tell you. The battle line has been drawn. The war has just begun. Nonsense.
Wonders. Wonders.
Sugar. Mwah, mwah. Mwah,
Stop! Hey, really stop, Biko. Am I not going to have peace in this house?
Hey, peace, baby. I love you.
You're funny.
That's my.
You're so funny.
Look at you. Real men, of course you're a boy. Real men take their women to their homes. Instead of you sitting here, laughing like an imbecile.
Don't mind this woman. Helen, are you jealous?
Jealous of what?
Oh, baby.
You see you? What? In my fire.
Oh, please. Oh, you won't do nothing. You're my mentor, so you should applaud me for doing it right. Baby. No matter. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Yeah. Happiness. 30,000 naira that I kept in my box is missing. Do you know anything about it?
Mommy, mommy. The money is not missing. We shared it among ourselves.
Sorry, you shared it amongst what? Who? What do you mean?
Mommy. Mommy, your beautiful daughters, your beautiful daughters actually shared the money.
Who told you you're beautiful? Eh? Do you know that that money belongs to Umwada?
Please, Evelyn! Stop making noise in my father's house because of a chicken feed. Okay, me.
That money belongs to Umwada. And as for you, you're back here again. Eh? Imbecile. Eh? You'll be using ink to darken the thing. Eh? Yogo master. Wasenga. Will you get out of my compound?
You know she's jealous. As for your Umwada, when they come for them, you know what? Settle them. You have more than that. Happy baby.
Baby, let's go. Baby, let's go.
Baby, let's go. Happy baby.
You paid for it with my money.
Don't let me down.
It's me. It's Maya.
Yes? What is it? Didn't you get your alert 3 days ago?
James, please. I'm here to apologize to you. Please, I'm sorry. I promise it won't happen again. Please.
Honestly, it's done and dusted. As a matter of fact, we can no longer live together on the same roof as husband and wife. Never, ever again.
James. Hey, James, please. Okay, your daughter is thirsty.
I don't know. But your destiny and my destiny, we entwined up together.
Treasure, you are my daughter. And I'll do anything and everything humanly possible to ensure that you are happy and you will never lack in this life. I love you. Daddy loves you.
What if we're together, fighting together? We surely succeed. We surely succeed. We never let them tear us.
You take this money. Do take care of her.
James. James obi mother Maternal biko. James. Obi mother Maternal biko. No magi ka ona eba kwa biko zionu. James is human to forgive his divine biko. Please, I'm begging you.
If not, our marriage is done. Our marriage is dead. We can no longer resurrect it.
Hey, Bikono, James, Bikono.
Sweetheart.
Oh.
What is happening here?
My baby.
Oh,
baby, can't you
Good afternoon.
Baby, can't you see? My baby. If I tell you, say my mind is with me, the liar. Cause I just don't wonder why things cannot be the same. I remember the good days. I remember the good times. It used to be you and I together. We fight and make up. We quarrel and make up. Why can't we just find a common ground?
I am telling you that your useless daughters stole my money. And you're here sending me back to them. Are you not the head of the family?
Oh. Did I hear you call me the head of the family? Or was it a slip of tongue?
Let me just tell you, if I don't get my money back, I'm going to do something serious in this compound.
My friend, go and reap what you have sown. And let me out of this.
Those are your utterances, right? No problem. We shall see.
Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Be careful whatever you do. Oh no. Be careful whatever you do. Be careful whatever you say. Cause you don't know tomorrow. And no man be God. And no man be God. And no man be God.
What's the problem with this?
Okaro. My in-law. My husband. I'm glad I met you at home. I can see you're going out.
Oh, yes. I hope nothing is the matter.
My husband, please. There's a problem.
What is it?
Those your daughters in my house. These children are causing trouble. Yes.
Really?
They're getting out of hand. Do you know that your brother? That your brother. You need to talk to him to be a man. I even called him to intervene. He refused though. I don't know if he's afraid of his daughters. Please.
So, what do you want me to do?
I want you to come and talk to them. You know, at least they will look up to you as an uncle. Okay. Talk to them and calm them down.
Okay.
Please. And then your brother, you have to tell him to wisen up and become a man. He's the head of the family. Do you know that I actually called him and he refused to come?
Really?
Yes.
Just hold on, A minute.
Oh, you want me to sit down?
Sit down. I will join you very soon.
Okay. Down. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hey, it's
I will
your
join
chair.
you very soon.
Can you tell me to buy a chair for you? Nani,
Yes?
where are you going to?
Sit down there. Sit down there until you have some senses. Is it now you know that I am a human being? Sit down there.
For everybody, we come together, unite together, we can find solution for everybody. Whether you get or you don't get,
My husband!
Oh, I don't get.
My husband!
In this world, and no man is God.
My husband!
And no man be God.
I have spoken with them, and they have agreed to live in peace with you. But I don't want you to do anything that will escalate the old ones.
I have heard you. But what about my 30,000 naira?
They said you have to take it as a prize. You have to pay for bringing peace into your family.
Guinea, 30,000 naira. No. I become even one, Mama. Anime Tieti, they must give me back my money by hook or by crook. They feel now call the 30,000 or about 3,000. Ha!
In that case, don't you ever call me for peace talk. Because I may not come.
Nah, it doesn't matter what you say. You see that money, I must get it. Anyhow, I don't care how, by any means, I will get my money back. If you go matter, at that time matter, or not possible, I will get my money back.
One day, I got Tante Gata. And on that day, you will know that I'm the cobra as well as the scorpion.
Ifunanya, you're talking to your mother like that? Oh! You're cobra and scorpion. No wonder it was difficult to give birth to you. You now want to call yourself scorpion and guinea? Oh! Anyway, for your information, I don't talk to useless people that don't have husbands like you. I don't do that.
Mommy, your trial has just begun. And the judge is me.
No. She's still our mother.
So when I keep my cassettes, my wrestling cassettes, you go and pick them and watch, eh?
Ifunanya, calm down.
I don't want to hurt her. I don't want to hurt you, Ifunanya. I don't want to spoil your skin for you. Don't let it.
Ifunanya! Hold yourself. He's okay.
Ben, Jidekuya. Because I would not like to wound my own daughter. Imana skin here is special. Even the 90-year-old man will not marry you again.
He's okay.
Hi. So this is what I've been raising against myself all these years. Old age is fast approaching. How do I cope? I need to do something about this. I thought I was raising smart and bold children. Assertive women. Little did I know that I was bringing up pythons that will eventually devour me. I should be a grandmother, visiting her children, a mother-in-law, traveling from one place to the other, instead of having them living here with me and fighting with me. I have 3 beautiful daughters. They would have given me children, and my family would have expanded. But here I am, and they're all... I have to do something. I need to do something. My daughters, please, I beg you in the name of God, find it in your hearts to forgive me. And because of your marriages that collapsed, I regret all the negative advices that I gave you, please. Please just, people should try and forgive me, please.
Please, let's forgive her.
Please.
My sisters, let's forgive her.
Edwin, my husband. Please.
Please forgive me for my insubordination to you and your brothers. Forgive me for calling you people scallywags. I'm really sorry. And forgive me for bringing up your children in a negative way. Please.
It's okay. It's okay. Get up. I have forgiven you. My beautiful children, to err is human, and to forgive is divine. Please, forgive your mother. Forgive your mother. Please.
I'm sorry. Tisom, I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm sorry. I don't know what must have gotten to me. I'm sorry.
My children, I thank God you have forgiven your mother. May the latter rain of the Almighty come back to her. In the name of Jesus.
I have told you stop this trouser for this.
Amen. We go there together. Amen. They never fit put us asunder. Amen. If we walk together. Amen. You go bump my baby. Amen. We go grow and go together. Amen. My baby. Baby, baby, can't you see? Baby, baby, can't you see? They're trying to put us apart. Or they're trying to put us apart. I don't know. But your destiny and my destiny, we entwined up together. It's up to us to find a common ground. It's up to us to take a different route and prove to the world we can weather the storm. Cause every marriage must experience a kind of ups and downs, yeah. Ups and downs, yeah.